Hi guys, what is up? It's Waybrizzle1722. Today I will show you how to put color on signs. And I have a special guest here. His name is Alana Nerf. I just noticed your skin has like errors. Hello. And I just noticed I left my microphone off. So let me just connect that really quickly. This is so embarrassing, you know. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's here. I'm sorry, guys. If I slip through the door, they can only detect me. Ooh, I just fell through the ground. Welcome to the building station. So. Okay. Everything's okay. Here are the things you're gonna need, guys. Signs. That's all. It's just signs. Okay. So, what we're gonna do... Excuse me, please. Okay, what we're gonna do is show you how to get color on signs. So what you have to do is get this symbol. It's like two S's on top of each other. So what you have to do, some of you won't see instantly, so just go to where you see this P right here. Yeah. Okay, then press and hold, and there's the sign. Now, just type in any number. 1 is purple, I guess. 2 is green. 3 is cyan. 4 is red. 5 is, what is that? Pink or violet? I don't know. 6 is yellow. 7 is gray. 8 is gray. Okay, I might get messed up here. 9 is purple. 0 is... Okay, you guys just, you know. Once you put the numbers, you will notice that the sign, if anyone else is looking, there's nothing on it. What you have to do now is just type in your text. So, okay. Now, as you guys can see, it says subscribe in red. You can also do this to, like, in the chat. So if you ever want to create a custom map, like we're making one, but I can't show you yet because it's not ready and has lots of bugs. Not bugs, you know, the ones you find outside. Bugs as in errors. I don't mean anything by that. Okay. So you can put double S here for and say warning, danger or something. As you guys will see, it appears on the top here. Now, if you want to do like a custom map, like when the player appears, or if you want to know how to get this door that can only be open when I get close to it, like, let me get my helper over here. Try going into the door, please. You won't notice that he cannot. But if you get back, please. You guys can see there's no cheats or anything. It only detects me. It does take some time to open the... Okay, just open, I mean, and close. Oh my gosh! Guys, I promise it won't do this to you guys. And now my assistant is stuck over there. Well, that was all, guys. If you want to see how to make that door, like, make it actually work. Oh, finally you open. And how to make this school text to pop up, make sure to check out my other tutorials. If you guys are asking what's happening to some of my intros, me and Gamers Time are teaming up to create a brand new channel. I was going to say channel. I don't even know what that means. If you guys even know what that means, just tell me, please. I gotta fix this quickly. So the new channel is called The Intro Box. I don't know why it's called The Intro Box. It's a funny name. It's kind of, you know, cool. And that name was invented by none other than Gamers Time and more. As you guys may see in the channel, it looks different than my normal intros. That's because he's the one doing the intros right now. And I'm just waiting to get requests by you guys. So you guys just let me know down in the comments below, or you go to the channel over there, the box channel. You will know that's a channel because there's a literal box in it. My cousin over here is just like, oh my, looking at the map.
No.
I heard you.
I'm like, oh, a mine.
So if you guys want to know how to build this office for some reason, just let me know down in the comments below. It's pretty good. Don't try copying, guys. Seriously. It doesn't work. You're probably going to get some blocks off. Well, that's all for this episode, guys. Bye!